slimes for my friend's pets. Let's get into it. First up, I'm gonna make a slime for my friend Hyro's pets. Hyro works here at Peachybbies. He works in the clay team, and he actually made all the clays that you're about to see in this video. He is super talented, and he always makes the clays for all of our videos, so make sure to comment down below, good job Hyro, because he deserves some recognition. He is so talented. So he actually has so many different pets, and they're very exotic. He has a tarantula and a snake, so we're gonna make slimes for those pets. I'm going with a cloud dough, and I'm gonna dye it pink and black because he has a black tarantula and a pink snake. Isn't that crazy? I've never seen a pink snake before, so I'm so excited for the slime. For this first half, we're gonna dye it pink, and I kind of want to tell you guys a bit about Hyro's pets. So he actually loves going to reptile conventions. He always ends up getting a new pet. I think he has like 13 spiders. I'm not even kidding. And one of my first days working here at Peachybbies, he actually brought his tarantula to work, and honestly, he was really cute and very small too. At the time, he was like a little baby. All right, I'm happy with this pink color here. Let's move on to the black. And you know, tarantulas are very fuzzy animals, so that's why I'm going with the cloud dough, because it has that like fuzzy texture. And last time that he went to the reptile convention, he bought his pink snake, and his name is Omen, and his tarantula's name is Salem. I love their names. He honestly chose some really unique, cool names for his pets. Okay, this dye definitely deactivated our slime a little bit, but we have the right color. And now let's assemble our slime. Okay, for this slime, I want to do a half and half. I'm thinking black at the bottom, pink on top. I think that's gonna look really cool. Now, I don't have a lot of experience with tarantulas or snakes, but I do think that they're very cool looking creatures. I do know that his tarantula is actually very, very sweet and gentle, and so is his snake. He's actually still a baby right now, so his snake is quite small. We're definitely gonna insert some clips so you guys can see them. All right, I think this looks super pretty. Now, let's go to Charmville and find some cute little charms for his pets. Because his snake is pink, I want to add some really cute pink charms. I really like these little hearts. I feel like they match his skin color, and also maybe some black hearts would be cool. Okay, but to be honest, I'm terrified of tarantulas. I don't think I could ever let one crawl on me. I don't know how Hyro has 13 of them. I'm pretty sure he has 13. Isn't that crazy? I also really like this sprinkle mix because it's kind of like pink and black moons and stars, so I'm gonna add some of that. And I really love that he has so many exotic pets. Props to Hyro for being the king of reptiles. Okay, we have our sprinkle mix. Let's go assemble our slime. Salem and Omen, I hope you're watching this, and I hope that you like how your slime is turning out. I think it looks super cute. We're going for a black and pink theme. I also love like the little moons. The sprinkle mix is honestly perfect for this slime. Okay, and now I have the clays, which Hyro made. Here we have Salem and Omen. Oh my gosh, aren't they so cute? Let's place them on their slime. They are a happy duo. Hope you guys like your slime, and I'm definitely gonna give this slime to Hyro. Next up, I'm gonna be making a slime for my bestie's ferret, Aussie. Aussie is such a cute little ferret. He is so whimsical and excited about life. He's honestly super hyper, and he's such a cool dude. So for his slime, I'm going for a phloem texture because I think it's the most fun texture we have here at Peachybbies. And I'm gonna dye it blue because Aussie loves to lay in his hammock. He's always like chilling, almost like he's by the beach. So I'm gonna make this slime beach themed. Cameron, I know you're watching this right now. I know that you've been so excited for me to make your very own Aussie slime. He's always happy and running around. He loves his toys and his treats. So I want his slime to represent how happy he is. Okay, I really love the color. Let's go find some charms that Aussie would like. Aussie, I know that you're watching this, and you know you're a chill dude. You know that you love hanging out by the beach, which is why I'm gonna add a perfect little palm tree on your slime. Also, I figure that while you're hanging out by the beach, you love to eat some fruit. That's what I would do. So let's add a little strawberry in there. Ooh, a little squishy raspberry, why not? And a little blueberry. You know what else you do at the beach? You eat cereal, which is why I'm gonna add some of this good luck charm sprinkle mix, because you are one lucky dude for having the best mom ever. Okay, we have our mix ready. Let's go finish up our Aussie slime. Okay, we're gonna start off with our Lucky Charms mix. And like I mentioned, Cameron's an amazing mother to Aussie, so he is a lucky dude. Next up, we add our palm tree because he's hanging out by the beach. and his little fruit, little snacks of the day. Okay, but now the best part ever, our Aussie clay! Look how cute he is. I love his eyes and his little facial expression. This is literally Aussie in a clay. There you go, Aussie. I hope you love your slime. Sending you some little pets. Next up, we're doing the one and only Aaron's pets, Marie and Miss Business. These cats are the cutest cats I've ever seen. I'm really excited for their slime. So we're gonna go for a memory butter because this is a really nice and soft texture. And I feel like these are their colors. I'm gonna split it in half. We're gonna do a 2-part slime with a nice twist. Miss Business is a really cute kitty, also very hyper and super friendly. Sometimes Aaron will bring the cats into the office and it's honestly such a fun time. They're very kind to everyone and they're just so fluffy and cute. Okay, I really want to achieve a nice shade of green to complement this yellow. So far, it's looking good. Okay, that looks awesome. Now, for the slime, let's do like a 4-part base. I'm gonna take off my gloves. We're gonna grab some yellow, add a little bit on the bottom of our cup, just like that. Add some green. This is gonna look so cool. Okay, now let's add some more yellow. And now let's top it off with the green. This looks so cute. Since these kitties are so sweet, I wanna find some charms that are as sweet as they are. So let's go to Charmville. Because we're going for some earthy colors, I really like this sprinkle mix right here. I like that it has some green in there. Now, Miss Business is honestly the happiest cat I've ever seen. He's always in a good mood. We actually call him Mibini for short. He's a little Mibini. And I found these sun charms that I feel represent his personality. So let's add one of those. And Marie is always so gentle and sweet and dreamy. I feel like she's kind of the opposite of Miss Business. He's always very hyper and she's always very like chill and honestly in a very cozy mood. So I kind of want to add a little white cloud. And I feel like that pairs well with the sun. It's kind of like opposites. Okay, our charms are ready. Let's go finish up the slime. I really like how this sprinkle mix pairs well with this slime. Colors are so pretty. And then we have our nice little sun and cloud, which represents their personalities perfectly. And now it's time to add our little kitties, Miss Business and Marie. They're gonna chill on top of their slime. And I think this turned out amazing. Let's get Aaron's reaction. Aaron, come here for a second. I made you a slime.
Oh my gosh, you made me a slime.
Oh, it's for your kitties.
And my Bennett. Oh, and Marie. No, I love Marie. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. The little sun, that's so perfect. Can I keep it?
Yeah, it's yours.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Look.
Up next, we're making a slime for the Riz Pack. That's right, the Riz Pack. These are Christian's dogs. He has 3 of them, Ivy, Ranger, and Zoe. So I'm gonna go for a Snow Fizz. They all have really spunky personalities, and I feel like this is a good base for them. And I really like these colors. We have some red and blue. Definitely wearing gloves for this one. Christian actually has a shirt with all of his dogs, and it literally says the Riz Pack, and I think it's the coolest shirt ever. He always brings his dogs to work, and they're so fun. It's honestly really nice having Ranger running around because he's a big golden retriever, and he's super friendly. And then, of course, Ivy and Zoe are really small and very cute. All right, I'm gonna take my gloves off and hand mix this because it's getting real messy. All right, that looks good. It's kind of like a peachy red, but I'm happy with it. Let's move on to the blue. So like I mentioned, Ranger is such a happy boy. He has a huge personality. He's always sitting down like an old man. Like he literally puts his arm on the couch like this, and he always looks like he's working hard. Okay, I love the colors that we have here. For this slime, I wanna roll it out and kind of add like little blue polka dots just to change it up a little bit. I like this. So far, this looks kind of fun. You know what? I really have to find some charms that represent all of their 3 personalities because they're all super different. Ooh, I like how that looks right there. All right, our slime is ready. Now, let's take a little trip, shall we? I'm not lying when I say that Ranger literally sits like a little grown man. He is so smart, and he's always sitting down like he has a ton of knowledge. So, I'm gonna add a little book because I feel like it's very appropriate for his slime. And also, Ivy and Zoe are like little sisters. They're so cute. So I kind of like these stars right here. We have like pink and purple. Okay, that's looking good. Now let's find some sprinkles. We are working going with a red and blue slime. So I'm gonna keep color scheme going, and I'm gonna add some little red hearts and some big blue hearts. Okay, that looks cute. Let's add it to our slime. Let's add our little charms and sprinkles. Ranger's book, he reads every day. Stars for Ivy and Zoe. And I love how these hearts match our slime. Time to top it off with our clays. Okay, Hyro went all out with these clays. He gave Zoe a little cowgirl hat. That's so cute. Let's add her right in the middle. Honestly, we're running out of space here. But we have Ivy and Ranger, and I love that his tie matches our slime. That's perfect. Okay, they don't fit. I'm gonna set Zoe and Ranger here in the back and little Ivy here at the front. I think Christian is gonna love this. Let's go get his reaction. Christian, get over here. I made you and all 3 of your dogs a slime!
Oh my God, that looks so good. That literally looks exactly like Ivy and Zoe and Ranger.
You like
and
this
with the tie? Yeah, the tie. Yeah, the iconic tie. Oh, and I love Zoe's hat.
I know, right?
That's
She's
so
a little
fun.
cowgirl. They're so fashionable, just like you.
Thank you. It's so funny. Ivy's so nice on the slime, but in reality, she's actually really mean. Well, she's not mean. She's mean. She's nice to me. She just only likes me and nobody else.
She's a little sassy. That's okay.
Yeah, she's just a little sassy.
She's a sassy queen.
I love it.
Yay, go
I
show
think
it
it's
to
awesome.
them.
I will show this slime to I don't want to mess it up. I'm not going to yet. So I'm gonna show them the slime.
Yay. Thank you.
Of course, bye.
Last but not least, we're making a slime for my dog, Spacey. I'm so happy to be making Spacey her very own slime. I'm going for a bingsu texture because she has a crazy, fiery personality. So I feel like this is the perfect texture for that. And Spacey loves her toys, but especially this one little frog. So I kind of want to theme her slime after a frog to match her favorite toy. So we're going for a green. I adopted Spacey my freshman year of college, and I've had her for a long time now. She's 5 years old, and she is my best friend. We've shared so many experiences together, and honestly, I don't know what I would do without her. She's literally the coolest dog ever. She loves going on her walks, loves her treats, and she's a very vocal dog. Like, she's always making monkey sounds. She loves to make these little monkey sounds, and I think it's the cutest thing ever when she like tries to talk to me with her little monkey sounds. I think it's adorable. Okay, I love this color right here. We have a nice shade of green, kind of like a limey green. I cannot wait to show Spacey her slime. I don't think she's ever seen my slimes before. This might be her first experience with a slime. Okay, let's go find some froggy themed charms. Like I said, Spacey loves making her little monkey sounds. I found some little monkey charms. Honestly, anything monkey related makes me go a little crazy. So let's add some of these. Spacey will really appreciate her little monkeys. Cool, we have the monkeys. Now, where are the frogs at? Ooh, definitely adding one of these derpy dudes. I love their eyes. Adding one of these, and now let's add some frog sprinkles too. Perfect. Some little frog faces. I'm so glad that we found our little monkeys. Now let's throw in some of those frogs. And of course, her little frog friend, her favorite toy in the entire world. And now, the one and only Spacey! Perfect. I think the slime turned out amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and comment down below what pet you have. Bye!